Ooh. Change the size of the text area depending on the content. Let's check it out. Is this something that you made, Horatio? Let's test. Nice. I like it. If I wanted to do the same thing in here, I would also have to account for the padding in my text area, right? Because that could have like an impact on when lines break or not. What I'm wondering actually is if I return a fragment here and I just say, because I'm using Chakra, I can use this as prop. What if I say I want to render a text area as a div? Is that even allowed? Oh, I forgot to finish this thought here. So let's first see if this text area as div works. There it is. That's wild. So I can render a text area like div using this kind of behavior. And then maybe what I could do is say like, I can make this a box, position relative, and then this text, the real text area can just be position absolute, height full, width full, and then the inner text area is going to be the one that actually, like does the expanding. Let's see. Okay, so that didn't quite work, but what if I just made the content of this text area? Hey, Dark Tower Builder, thank you for the follow. Really appreciate it. Hope you're enjoying the stream. Let's see what happens if I just give this inner text area the value of the other one. Okay, so that didn't quite work. But what if I say white space pre? So it respects all of the line breaks inside. Okay, again, that didn't exactly work as I was expecting it to. I see. So this text area has a specific height attached to it. I'm just going to say height auto. Cool. Now I do need it to, I need it to break its lines. So white space pre isn't going to work. Pre-wrap, I think is what it's called. Nice. Okay. So now that I have that working, I can say, maybe I can call this visibility hidden. So it'll still take up space in the DOM, but it will be hidden from view. And there's one big discrepancy between these two things still. Is the font size. I believe the font size, yeah, I'm gonna need to give this a size large prop. And now visibility hidden. Let's see if that works. Oh, so close. So there's some discrepancy there. Maybe it will do opacity. Opacity, how do I want to say this? Yeah, opacity 0.5. I want to know why these lines are breaking differently. So let's just take a look at what the text area renders as. If I go visibility, hidden again. Oh. So now this works. I wonder why I had to do that. Let's just try this. Give this visibility hidden. And there it is. Now if I, yeah, it doesn't work totally because as soon as I introduce this scroll bar, it breaks these things differently. So maybe the solution is actually to make this not scrollable. If I say overflow hidden. Yeah, and now okay. That's getting closer, except now this presents an issue with an empty line at the end. Makes the thing think if the line is if the last line is empty, it makes the div think it's smaller than it actually is. Okay. Okay, now in here, what I'm going to try to do is just console log value, and let's see what we can get from it. So you'll see when I add a new line to the end, it doesn't seem to be reflected in here unless I add 2 new lines. Here's another thing that I'm going to try to do. I'm going to look for the last character in the string. That doesn't work. All right. How about value length -1? So now it's L. Save. Oh. Let's just console log this for now. Or I mean, comment that out for now. Let's see if it is equal to new line. Okay. So that gets us a little bit closer, doesn't it? What if I say conditionally render in here? Let's just conditionally render an extra new line if the last value in the thing is a new line, and that seems to do the trick. Oh my gosh, that's so cool.